my best friend. You can't just suddenly take
But
her
she used to
away.
tell me everything. Now you just snatched her from me. Leave him, Vicky. He's mine.
Leave him, Megha. He's mine. He's mine. Excuse me.
Too late. He's already mine.
Serena or Simmer?
Simmer.
Lohas or Uday?
None of them.
Who has a better body, Mehul or Joshua?
Obviously Mehul, yeah.
Okay, last question. Who loves Charlie the most, Uday or Himanshu?
Both of them love it.
Alright, thanks and fun.
Bye-bye.
No hype for you guys.
No hype for you guys.
Serena Gayatri, Nikita और सना गुप्ता, शिपानी और रुखसाना, आसना मल्होत्रा और नूर मेहरा, मेहुल और केडी. Alright, who can give competition to you guys? No one. Alright, any person who you would like that stays back in Goenka?
Rahul Davar. Rahul Davar.
Your most memorable moment?
When I fought with Ash Tandon.
I was just outside school.
अरे हरकत तेरे सिक्स पैक्स तो पीछे है। अरे जोशवा अगर पीछे है तो आगे की क्या जरूरत है? ये देख मेरी बाइसेप, ये देख मेरे ट्राउजर, ये देख मेरी चेस्ट, ये देख मेरी बैक।
गायत्री और शरीना? गायत्री.
अच्छा तुम बताओ कौन सी कुड़ी तुमको सबसे चंगी लगती है?
गायत्री दीदी बेटर है।
शरीरा दीदी बेटा
गायत्री दीदी बेटर है। और छठा यार दोनों ही लड़कियां चंगी है।
So your most memorable moment with these class 12 students?
Class 12 student most memorable moment is when they have a inter-house tournament, boys and girls.
अच्छा उसमें भी know the problem, bunking की तो problem हमेशा होती है. Which is the group that you always find the most outside their classes?
Outside the classes, yeah, commerce and science. Out of that, Adi, Himanshu,
Himanshu Kalita sir.
Himanshu Kalita, and who else? But still, we'll miss them.
Yes sir.
And all the best for their exam.
I will really miss this match because they had been associated with me since class 6, and as a team we have defeated so many good teams with the help of this match. And lastly, best of luck, good luck for board exams and future.
This batch and the people you're gonna miss a lot because we know Dhruv and all were the prime members of your team. Just a few words about these people.
As such, I enjoyed being with all the members of the class 12 and all the class 12 this year. But not only me, I feel the whole sports department is going to miss the class 12 because we only did not have the support of the class 12 with the team. But in general, they were very cooperative and they have been very nice to all of us. I wish all the best to this whole the class, and I hope we keep meeting in future also. I wish all the best to all of the members.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, the most handsome boy in the current 12th.
One.
One or two.
Okay, Karthike Dutt and Sumer.
And ma'am, the naughtiest.
I think Udayveer and Vikrant.
And one of your memorable experiences with the batch.
That was farewell time. You know, I really enjoyed with them and the way they used to listen to me, but except 2-3 boys, and we really enjoyed that time. So, anything else? And although I have to tell you that although I don't teach 11th and 12th, but still I interact with them for various competitions and school functions. And now this is the time that they are passing out from the school and they are parting from us. I think I want to wish them all the best for their future, because now is the time that their Agnipath has started. So Agnipath, Agnipath, Agnipath. Ciao.
Ma'am, the most talkative person in the batch.
Anirudh.
Ma'am, did he question you regarding the GDPs?
No, but Anirudh and Sumer always had something to say in class.
And ma'am, the most articulate person who had a certain elegance in him the way he spoke.
Simarjit, though I never had the pleasure of teaching him. He spoke well.
And ma'am, a special message would you like to send out to the batch?
Yes. Always remember to be proud of your school. And like I always told you, how can you not wish us? How can you not say good morning or hello to us? So please remember that I'll miss you all and three sections of 12th with me. So be proud of your school and always say good morning.
First thing, I would advise you never make anything your prestige point. You should see what is correct or what is wrong and then take the decision. Secondly, I will say that there is no substitute for the hard work. Life ahead is very tough. Please do the right thing so that you will get appropriate place in your life. Thank you.
Who did you find most in the corridors?
Abhik Bobal and Vikrant Berry.
Maham, the most popular couple.
Dipani Neb and Raghavendra Singh.
Okay, and previous year's cultural secretary or this year's cultural secretary? And Yoje.
No comments on this. Both. I don't want to upset anyone.
And ma'am,
both equally good.
And
equally good.
And one memorable moment with the badge.
Memorable. There have been too many.
And one something that stood out of the rest.
I think dancing with them in the World School, when we went for the excursion, I think they all pulled me and took me to the dance floor and we all danced. Yeah, that was one thing I really enjoyed. And there's dance with Abhik Bobal. It was there to watch that.
And something you want to say to them because it's probably the last time.
No, it won't be the last time. Citation Day, I will be talking to them. This was a good batch by and large. And some anxious moments they have given me. No doubt about that. I've been chasing them all over. But yes, I wish them all the best in their life. Whatever they do in future, they should excel and be true Goenkans. And do well in life, certainly. That's what I wish for them.
Okay, which 11th grader will you miss the most?
Arjun.
Most memorable experience in school?
When Himanshu picked me up after the basketball finals.
Okay, two things that are needed in school.
Nikita and Sharina. Yeah.
Okay. 11th grader will you miss the most?
Dude, I don't remember. Did you not give us
सही कुछ ना सही यादें हो रही थे दिल के दर पे मेरे तू यही है कहीं ना कहीं.
Gratitude is a fruit of great cultivation. You do not find it among gross people. And I want you all to remember that. You all have my blessings and good wishes.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ